Shoppers can now use Amazon's AI to buy off-site. Let me show you in today's video. So here's the recent announcement. Amazon's new Buy For Me feature helps customers find and buy products from other brand sites. It's here, it's in beta, but you can apply and do it yourself. I just want to show you how it works really quick because this is going to be important. Somebody can type in brand women's leggings, it's going to show it on Amazon, and then AI can buy it for them off-site. Visit the brand website, it's going to check the prices, it's going to update the tracking for you. Look, here it is. They can process all of the transactions on Amazon. So let's say you're trying to buy Nike shoes, it's not on Amazon. Amazon's AI is going to automatically process your credit card with Nike and then ship it to you, and all of the updates will be provided on Amazon directly. Pretty cool, right? Interesting stuff, but it's here, it's real. Let me show you, right? So this is actually on Amazon.com right here. Shop brand sites directly. So if you think this is fake, nope, this is legit. This is kind of crazy. Start a search on Amazon and access expanded product selection from across the web. So again, typing women's brand leggings, and then here's the overview. You can discover and seamlessly shop new products not currently available in Amazon store from the Amazon shopping app, right? So a lot of interesting things going on. Tap results with this icon. So I don't know why Amazon would do this. I know it's providing a better shopping experience. The only thing I can understand is Amazon's getting a cut. Now this does make it more, there's going to be more competitors pretty much if Amazon allows this, because not only do you have to get approved to sell on Amazon, if you have this, you don't even have to get approved to sell on Amazon. You could just have a website, be completely suspended on Amazon, and still be able to sell on Amazon, which is going to increase the amount of competitors. So I'm hoping that this doesn't get fully pushed through. I can see the benefit for the customers, and if Amazon is getting a cut, I could see the benefit for Amazon, but I just wish Amazon would think about the sellers. Anyway, shopping from brands. Why am I being redirected to another site? For some products, we do not have it in Amazon store. We link to the brand's website. So they can't do it for every brand, but it looks like AI is getting more powerful. Do you share any personal data? No. When I use this service to buy a product, am I buying from Amazon? No. Amazon's AI does it for you. Is this free for Prime and non-Prime members? Yes. How do I pay for the products? You tap Buy For Me, you'll see an estimated total. We'll get the product information, and then we'll process it for you. If the total is more than $10 over the estimated total, we'll check before completing the purchase. Can I apply promo code? No. A lot of different things. How many items can I buy in one order? Only one item at a time. What personal data will they receive? It'll provide the name, address, and payment details. All products purchased are subject to the brand's terms, policies, including returns. Amazon return policy does not apply. So it has nothing to do with Amazon. It's like Amazon's getting a cut. But this is it. I mean, it's on the website. So, and then, you know, we just went through the FAQ, but now I'm just going to show you how to apply. So if you are suspended on Amazon, or you have a website that's off of Amazon, you can apply to this and see if it's for you, right? It might make you some extra sales on your website. So that's a huge benefit if you are a seller, right? So what is this service all about? Amazon continuously innovates to make shopping as convenient as possible for customers and brands, right? How can I participate? This is a beta service with select brands and is available in the US. If you are a brand and would like to participate, you can just email right here, branddirect@amazon.com. So if you did want to try this out, hey, first one in is usually the one who makes the most amount of money. Even if this is beta, they did a whole page on it, did a whole announcement. It's a little bit secret, but still, hey, if you're the first one in, that's a win. How do I communicate with customers when shopping? Amazon provides a secure, unique email address for each order. How do I opt out? If you don't want to participate, you just email them. Who controls the pricing? You control the pricing. and stuff like it. You don't even have to be approved to sell on Amazon to do this. That's the crazy thing. So, if Amazon does suspend you, this is like a loophole. So it's definitely an interesting take. The only downside I see again is there's going to be more competition on Amazon. Imagine if you're scrolling Amazon, it's like shop off of Amazon. It just doesn't make much sense to me, but Amazon might be making more money, and then other brands will be happy because they're showing up on Amazon. But this is going to make Amazon not Amazon anymore, especially if it takes 5 business days to get delivered. Definitely interesting. I can see the take, but how do you think this new feature will impact your Amazon sales? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.